This is a progress video for 1317 North 22nd Street. It is August the 21st, 2019. We are getting the painting taken care of on the outside. We still have, we're on dumpster number 4. This house is one of the most deceiving houses you can ever find. We still have to fix some of the floor here and some details, but if you walk inside you can see how much better this house has gotten. This house really kind of amazing. So we have got all the interior painted. We will have some touch-ups, obviously. We went ahead, we had to do we had to rebuild some of the floor. We had to redo a lot of the base molding. And these older houses, so one thing that's interesting about these older houses is, as anybody knows who's done one of these before, is that this base right here that you see right here, this base that you see right here, there's no plaster behind it. It's actually screwed straight to the studs. So the way we do it now is we run the drywall all the way down to the bottom, and then we just put the base on the face of the drywall. Well, that's not how they did that back then. So we have all these weird custom pieces that have to be done in this house. So you can see that, you know, we're moving along pretty well. This kitchen still has some items we need to take care of. Now, the reason why we didn't patch these is most of these would be stuck behind cabinets. We basically have cabinets. This is where the refrigerator is going to go. We have cabinets running all the way down. So, and then this is the hot water heater closet. And then if you look through, I mean, this house kind of looks really nice. So if you're standing back here, you know, you'll be able to see all the way through the front, and it's gonna be a good looking house. So what do we have going on? We have tile. Today is tile. Well, the last couple of days have been tile. So we've got the bathroom floor set. That is the crawl space access that we've gotten trimmed out, and the electrical, all the lights are here. It's just the electrician had court today, go figure. So that's that. We got this front door. So what originally had happened with this front door is it originally had a double door. You can see right there, that was the latch for this double door. And so when they came and put a 36 door or a 30 door in here, they just framed in this section right here, but it really looked bad. So my carpenter went ahead and got some trim that he used on the fireplaces upstairs and trimmed it all out with wood to get it looking better. After we get some caulk in there and get the white paint on, it'll be beautiful. Trim this stairwell out, got the railing on. We moved it from over here to over here so it would be continuous all the way up the stairs. And well, we'll just walk into the back bath first. We're doing the 3x6 subway tile for the shower with the pewter, and then this is the floor that's going in for this right here. So most of the trim work's been done, just waiting on the electrical. We've got this door. This door is getting ready to go in. We picked it up. It's a custom size. Obviously, everything in this house has been custom. So had to have it cut and made in board. So this bedroom is turning out well. All the doors had to be basically replaced in this house. So one thing we did is the trim looked pretty elementary on these fireplaces. So my carpenter made it look a little bit more sophisticated. So anyway, now we had to level this whole floor out right here. So we had to bring it up, and now they're doing the floor here in the master shower. You can see it right there, looking good. And this is their little cut station. And when we put the trim in here, the old plaster was sucked back about 3/4 of an inch right here, so we had to build that out. And of course, this is the master closet that we made by reducing the size of the master bath and turning it into a closet. And then we've got the attic closed up. And then, so this is what this one turned out as right here. So anyway, that is the update for August 21st. And let's see, next things that are going in. So tile should be finished by the end of the week. This is Wednesday, so Friday should be grouting. The 26th or 27th, carpet and laminate go down. I just took delivery of the vanities. Then the cabinets for the kitchen arrive on the 27th. And the plumber starts as soon as the tile's grouted. So that's what's going on with this house. All right, y'all stay tuned. I'll do another update in about a week. All right, thank you very much. Bye.